Featured Model S looks like a tractor, and sometimes I can't drive the power sheet. This situation is very common and usually occurs when there is a problem with the motor. It needs to be disassembled and repaired. The main cause of water getting in eyes is because the water and air seal is not getting tired. Let's take it apart and take a look at the shaft noise caused by the broken water air. Show the actual water in eyes. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Qian Qian. The input wire of this brick is also worn out. The internal wire of the clothes post is also worn flat, so there will be abnormal noise when the car is driven, and they need to be replaced. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Qian Qian. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Qian Qian. Replacement with an improved motor cooling water air. The motor of Model S has been repaired and there is no abnormal noise when driving. The audience will help you understand electric cars better.